Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the projector and make sure your phone battery is at least 50%. Once done, clean and align the lens to avoid blur, placing the projector 1 to 3 meters from the screen. Next, connect your phone. Use an HDMI adapter or wireless cast depending on the model, because wired gives lower latency while wireless grants mobility. Make sure Wi-Fi or hotspot is active. You're ready to perform the initial connection and adjust basic display settings to get an image. Now focus on image and audio quality. You adjust the focus ring and keystone correction to fix trapezoid distortion. Zoom or move the unit to frame the picture, precisely because placement affects sharpness. Then change your phone's output resolution to match the projector for best clarity, and tweak brightness and contrast on the projector to suit the room lighting. For sound, choose between the projector's speaker, Bluetooth pairing, or a wired amplifier. Select the option that balances volume and latency for video or presentation. Finish by running a 5 to 10 minute test playback to confirm sync, audio quality, and that the projector isn't overheating. Once satisfied, secure cables, lock the focus, and save any presets so you don't repeat settings. If playback stalls or the image drops out, restart both phone and projector, inspect adapters and cable connections, and make sure firmware or phone drivers are updated because outdated software often causes compatibility issues. If problems persist, swap cables or switch to a wired connection as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.